Hello YouTube. Today I will be showing you how to get WiiFlashServerJ to work on Mountain Lion, which is an OS for the Mac, and for some reason Apple took away a feature on I/O Bluetooth, which doesn't let it work, but I found a solution today. So all the files in this video will be available in the description. The first thing you need to do is double click the zip for WiiFlashServerJ+BSB, and when you get the file, drag it to applications. This step's not required, but it's more convenient. I also have a download for WiiMote, which you can also do this process with. WiiFlash doesn't yet work in WiiMote, but it will in the future. And so these steps might work on Lion too, but WiiMote works on Lion without these steps. But if you want to run WiiFlashServerJ on Lion, then you might want to do these steps. I'm not sure if it'll work. If it doesn't work, just leave the error, what the error file says in the description. That's how I got this stored. So I'll have a folder called WF Mountain Lion that will have all these files, including I/O Bluetooth, which is the Lion version that we need to work on Mountain Lion. So what you need to do is, after you drag the file into applications, you need to right click, get info, open in 32-bit mode. WiiMote is a 32-bit application, so you don't need to do that. So in the folder, all you have to do is double click WiiFlash.command. I'll hide the extension, and it will open WiiFlash. I'm taking out my remote to demonstrate how this works. So it'll take a couple of times to get WiiFlash to work with your Wii remote, but it's worth it. So go to log, it'll say press 1 and 2, so you'll press it. Wait a couple of seconds. It will give an error. Okay. It'll say go to system preferences and delete all WiiMotes and Bluetooth. If it's there, then you do that. Anyways, we're just gonna do it again. This time it might say the same thing, but then you just try one more time. And actually, even though it says error, it still works for a weird reason. Wii device discovered. There. Then you'll see it here. So basically, it'll work, and just to prove that it works, I'm going to run this example file. And you can press all the buttons and it will appear even at the same time. Yep. So it's basically mirrored, so it looks like that, so it'll be on the opposites with the D-pad, except for up and down, but not in real life. Even the B button. Okay, this might work with a nunchuck. I haven't tested it, but some people on Snow Leopard said it's not very good with the nunchuck. But I haven't tested it, and it might be perfect with the nunchuck again. Anyways, if there's an updated version of WiiFlash that uses like the balance board or something, you can download that. You don't need +BSB. the version plus BSB. You can use a regular WiiFlash J, but this version's less crashy. Anyways, it'll also work with Mote Daemon, as you can see here. And you only need to try once. First, let's quit this so you can see my remote is disconnected. So, usually when you press begin pairing it crashes, but this time it'll say press 1 and 2. With Mote Daemon, it'll show lights on both sides, but it might require you to try a couple of times. Oh, so this time you really do need to remove it from Bluetooth. Sometimes it happens. Then you'll just try again. Usually it doesn't take a lot of steps for Mote Daemon. It's pretty straightforward. You don't need to repeat a bunch of times. Just wait for it. Let's see. Yeah, you really don't want it in Bluetooth. So, let's try this one last time. There we go. Sometimes it'll say disconnect Wii, sometimes it'll just say disconnect Wii remote, but as you can see it's connected, lights on each side. So, to overwrite preferences that make Bluetooth connected faster, there's a method. I'll put a link with some program called Ouija, and I'm not sure exactly what you're supposed to do with it, but I'll put the link that explains much. Okay, so hope this helped. Leave a like, leave a subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys hopefully later if you subscribe. Ciao.